In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a PDF on Gumroad. We'll walk through the exact flow to get your PDF ready for sale, from creating the product to publishing it. Start by going to the Gumroad dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the products section. This is where all of your existing products live and where you'll create a new one. Click New Product to begin. You'll be prompted to give your product a name. Choose something clear, descriptive, and easy to search. Think of the main problem it solves or the exact topic your PDF covers. Next, pick Digital Product. Since you're selling a PDF, this option ensures buyers receive an instant download after purchase without any shipping steps. Set your price in the next field. You can always adjust this later, but start with a number that reflects the value inside your PDF. Right next to it, choose the currency you want to charge in so everything displays correctly to your audience. When that's set, click Next. Customize to open the product editor where you'll polish the details shoppers see. Write a concise, benefits-focused description. Lead with the outcome your PDF delivers, outline what's inside, and note who it's for. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. Below that, customize the product URL. A short, memorable slug helps with sharing and looks cleaner on social media. Add a cover image that represents your PDF. Aim for a high-resolution graphic or mock-up of the PDF's first page. Then add a thumbnail, which is the smaller version that appears in listings. Make sure it's legible at small sizes and visually consistent with your cover. In the product info area, review any remaining fields and fill in what's relevant to present your PDF clearly. This is a good moment to double-check spelling, formatting, and that your price and title match the description. Now, switch to the content section. In the receipt area, click Upload Your Files, choose Computer Files, select your PDF, and click Open. Wait for the upload to fully complete. You should see the file listed with its name and size. Use a clear file name so customers recognize it instantly after purchase. If your PDF is large, give it a moment to finish uploading before moving on. When everything looks right, click Publish and Continue. Your product will be live and ready to share. From here, you can preview the product page, test the checkout flow, and start promoting your link with confidence.